How to use Shazam like a pro. To use Shazam like a pro, you can use the in-app button or enable control center widget for quick access. Normally, whenever you want to identify any songs, and if you're just a basic beginner, you normally open the Shazam app and tap on this little icon. But we don't have to do that every time. We can set this up in the background so it recognizes automatically. To do that, we can tap the library icon from the top left after we go to Shazam app and tap on the gear icon from the top left of the screen here. If you scroll down, you'll find this option called Auto Shazam. It says press and hold the Shazam button on home to start Auto Shazam. When I turn this on and I just select a continuous mode or single result mode, I'll select continuous mode. Then I'll just tap on confirm, and it is always identifying songs in the background. It will show your Auto Shazam is on. But this process might be quite difficult for some because it is always listening to you or whatever things you're saying, so it constantly requires access to your microphone. Instead, another easier way that I would recommend is you can simply add the quick settings to your quick control center over here. To do that, as long as you have the Shazam app installed on any Android or iOS device, you can go to your editing option of control center. Here, if I on my OnePlus, I can go to edit tiles, and here I can simply search for the Shazam shortcut over here, which can be added to my control center. Next time when I want to identify the songs, I can tap on that control instead of having to open and search the Shazam app manually each time. So these are some of the ways you can use Shazam like a pro. I hope this video helped you out, or if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.